Welcome. In today's video, I'll show you how to prevent private chat notifications on Telegram web right from your PC. If you use Telegram on your computer and want a little more privacy or just fewer distractions, this quick tutorial is exactly what you need. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to Telegram web. Once you're logged in, you'll see your chat list and contacts on the left side of the screen. Now, look at the upper left corner. You'll notice three small dots right next to your profile picture. Click on them to open the main menu. From that menu, choose Settings. This is where you can control almost everything about how Telegram behaves on your computer, including your notifications. Once you're in the Settings section, select Notifications. This will open several options for customizing which alerts you want to receive. Scroll down until you find the option that says Notifications for private chats. By default, this feature is turned on, which means every time you get a message in a private conversation, Telegram will send you a desktop alert. To stop that from happening, simply uncheck the box next to Notifications for private chats. That's it. You've successfully disabled private chat notifications on Telegram web. From now on, you won't be interrupted by pop-up messages when someone texts you privately. You can still view all your messages by opening Telegram, but those little distractions won't appear while you're working, studying, or watching videos online. This simple setting helps you keep your screen clear and your chats private, especially if you're using a shared or work computer.